I just flipped my first NFT for over $2,000 profit. In this video, I'm talking about my first NFT experience with an NFT dropped on crypto.com. I will be sharing exactly how I was able to buy some and the insane profits that I made. For those of you that are new to the channel, my name is Ben. I've made over 6 figures trading crypto. I'm on a journey to 10K a month of passive income, and I want you to join me on this journey. Let's go. So I've been wanting to buy my first NFT for the longest time, but never made the leap and learned how until recently with crypto.com NFT site. So I first missed the loaded line NFT drops, and I decided to finally create an account and get ready for my first one. One of the coolest parts about this whole experience was being in our Discord group where we have people that have already gotten some NFT drops before, and they have been able to help walk us through how it works and how to do everything. And we all have been participating in these drops recently and supporting each other with all these new things that we're learning. If you're interested in joining the group, check out my Patreon in the description below. The process to getting an NFT was pretty simple. This was for the Psycho Kitty drop that happened at 5 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. And I had to get on 1 hour before so I could wait in the queue with everyone to see what place we would get in line for the sale. We had to refresh the page a bunch of times at 4 p.m. to make sure that we were in the queue. And then after we got in the queue, it gave us a number in line about 10 minutes before the sale started at 5 p.m. And for most people, it was a few thousand in line, or even some were 15 to 20,000 in line. But I got so extremely lucky, and I was 43rd in line, which it was all random how they chose who was in what place in line. I just got so lucky, and I was able to buy them in less than a minute after the sale started at 5 p.m. I bought 5 of them, which was the max that you could get, and I bought them for $150 each for a total of $750. Now when it comes to buying them, you need to connect your crypto.com app to the NFT site so that you can use crypto pay and buy them with USDC or some sort of crypto from your app. So this is all connected, and it makes it nice and easy to buy, so you don't have to add a bank account or a credit card to buy like that. That's an option, but the easiest way is to use crypto pay and link your account to your crypto.com app. This was all very easy to do and was very fast to complete. Then I had all 5 packs of mine, and the whole website started lagging really bad. Opening up each of these packs gave me the nostalgic feeling of opening Pokemon card packs as a kid, and I was so excited to see what I got. If you grew up buying Pokemon cards, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. After you get them all open, it takes time to mint each one, which from my understanding is just exchanging it from a digital file into a digital asset on the Ethereum blockchain. I had one minted already, and I wanted to post them very quickly, and so I posted my first one for $2,500 to sell, not thinking very much about it. I was seeing if any of the other ones were minted to try and sell them as well, but they were taking forever, and the whole site was just almost frozen because of all the people that were online at the same time. And then literally about 10 minutes later, I got an email saying that your NFT sold, and I was freaking out. I was like, no way, it just sold for $2,500. And I checked, and it did, and my mind was completely blown. Here's the NFT that I bought and sold. If we take a look at the history, you can see that I purchased it for $150 and someone bought it for $2,500, so you know I'm not capping. So here we're going to show you that I was the one that purchased this one. This is the first one that I bought, and I sold it for $2,500, number 3854. Here, if you go in the history tab, you can see that it says I've been trading, bought it for $150, and someone else bought it for $2,500. But then when I was able to, I sold another one for $1,200 and then another one for $800. So let's look at those ones. So this one, number 5163, I sold it for $800 profit, bought it for $150. You can see I've been trading. This one is like the coolest looking one, I think, that I got out of all of mine. And then this is the last one that I sold. This was 1101. I bought it for $150, sold it for $1,200. So there you have it. There's the proof to show that I actually did buy and sell these. And these numbers just blew my mind. The percentages, like the first one I sold for $2,500 was like over a 16x, almost a 17x in price increase, which is just mind-blowing to me. And I couldn't believe how quickly these sold and the demand for them. I probably sold them early, but I wanted to secure big profits because this whole thing was a huge win, and these don't happen very often in crypto. When it comes to trading, most of the money I make is all from small, consistent gains and the occasional home runs. It's exactly the same idea with NFTs. This was a huge home run, but I'll probably get more small, consistent gains when I'm flipping them in the future. I think the best time to get them are when they have these drops on Crypto.com. Of course, there's so many people, so you might not end up getting any, but if you are able, the profit potential can be very large and exciting. I will continue to dive into NFTs and maybe start flipping them consistently, even without waiting for every single drop to buy them. I think it'll be a huge learning experience, and I can document how it goes with you all here on YouTube and things that I learn and strategies that I develop on this journey. I know a lot of this was luck with my experience for my first few NFTs, but I also didn't know what these could sell for. And maybe I could have made a little bit more, but I just wanted to take profits and sell them while they were super high in demand and everyone was hyped about them. Also, do you want to see more NFT videos in the future? Let me know in the comments. And thank you so much for watching, and remember, as always, keep it in the green.